Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we're delving deep into the world of outdoor security cameras. Comparing three top contenders, the Arlo Pro 5's, Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-In, and Eufy Cam 3. These devices are not just about security, they redefine the way we keep an eye on our surroundings. Let's explore their features, functionalities, and find out which one might be the perfect fit for your needs. Number 1. Arlo Pro 5's. The standout feature here is its impeccable video resolution, providing twice the clarity of HD. Imagine being able to zoom in 12x without losing the sharpness of details. But that's not all. The dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a seamless connection, supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, and a wide 160-degree view with auto image correction make it an excellent choice for home security. The quick and easy installation, coupled with Arlo Secure Link for a more secure connection, sets it up as the ultimate security system. Number 2. Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-In. Real-time notifications, adjustable motion detection, and the ability to speak to visitors through the Ring app provide an interactive and responsive experience. This camera is weather-resistant, making it suitable for various outdoor placements. What's impressive is its compatibility with other Ring devices, offering an affordable alternative to a traditional CCTV system. Powered from a standard electrical socket, you never have to worry about charging a battery. Number 3. The Eufy Cam 3. Boasting 4K detail day and night with its Starlight photosensitive system, it allows you to spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, even in low light conditions. What's groundbreaking here is the forever power durability. Thanks to an integrated solar panel, the camera is self-sustaining, needing just 2 hours of daily sunlight. Voice activation, two-way audio, and facial recognition through Homebase 3 elevate the user experience to a whole new level. To wrap it up, each of these cameras brings something unique to the table. Whether it's Arlo's HD clarity, Ring's comprehensive security system, or Eufy's 4K detail and solar-powered longevity, the decision depends on your specific requirements and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons.